Magandang araw sa inyo. Ito po si Ate Menz sa Warayan ng Calbayog. Andito po ako para yayain ko kayo. Samahan niyo ako. Manahi tayo ng punda. Yes. Tuturo ko sa inyo o ipapakita ko sa inyo step by step kung anong kailangan nyo or whatever. Right? Okay. Una, kailangan nyo lang ng gunting, thread, sinul lang, at syempre, yung gugupitin nyo at tatahiin nyo na magiging punda. Okay? Ang gagawin ko ngayon ay isang kumot. Umorder ako sa online ng isang set na beddings. Ngayon, in-order ko queen size. Tapos, ang bed sheets, ang fitted sheets, ay okay. Fit siya, okay la. Pero, ang blanket niya ay maliit. Tapos, hindi ko rin type yung pillowcase nila kasi maliliit. So, I decided na yung blanket, gagawin ko na lang pillowcases. Yes, and then I'll think about something kung anong i-combine or anong gagamitin kong blanket na lang doon. Yeah, madali naman, basta kakulay lang or maganda tignan, di ba? So, ito na ang gagawin natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito guys, ang tatayin ko. Kasi ito yung katerno niya. Ito yung blanket niya na maliit. Right? Tapos, ito, yung ginamit kong partner dati kasi dalawang pillowcase na yung it comes with 2 pillowcases only in one order. Right? So, kumuha ako para maging 4 kasi always 4 ang pillowcases ko. And every bed or whatever. So anyway, ito yung gunting ko na gagamitin. Hindi talaga siya pang sewing scissors. But it's okay. Kasi yun lang naman ang gagawin ko ngayon is maybe 2 to 3 pillowcases. So, ito ang aking gagamiting makina. Ito yung makina ko. Yeah. So, ito yung sinulid. Gagamitin kong sinulid ay black thread. Okay? Kasi sa ngayon, ay kulay asul siya. Papalitan ko na lang siya ng itim. Yes. Ito nga pala ang aking ipapalit sa blanket. Ito na lang yung blanket kasi it's very close. Ganda tignan. So, I think it would be match. Right? So, ito, aalisin ko na. Itatabi ko muna para ma-set up ko yung gagamitin natin tela or blanket na magiging pillow. So, ganito ang gagawin ko. Make sure lang na even sila. Okay? It's pretty important na mag-even sila. Okay? Ilalatag lang dyan. Ilalatag. Nakalatag siya. Tapos, kinuha ko itong punda na magiging pattern ko. Ito ang magiging pattern ko sa size. Kung mahaba a little bit, it's okay. It's better longer than shorter, right? And then, lalagyan ko siya ng allowance. Kasi tutupiin mo pa yan siya. Right? Dito, wala na akong alalahanin kasi nakatahi na siya. Hindi ko na siya kailangan ng allowance dito. Kaya dito ako kukuha ng allowance. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko ay ganito. Mga 1 inch. 1 inch siya. Hmm? Yan. Hindi naman ito sa akin lang naman to. Gagamitin ko lang naman to personal use. So, hindi ko kailangan mag-measure. Itong pattern na ginagamit ko ay yan. It's a big help. Because I can just base into that pattern. Right? Kasi alam ko yan, ito, tinahi ko rin to dati. Ginawa ko rin yan. And I know what size at gaano kalaki ang magiging unan, what do you call this, punda, pillowcase. So, ito na siya. So, ito na ang gagamitin kong pattern. Ito na sa lahat, gagamitin kong pattern. Okay, so ito, pangalawang pillowcase na to. Ang gagawin ko naman dito, dahil ito wala nang tahi yung seam niya dito sa dulo, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng allowance dito sa kabila, allowance din dito. So, lalapat ko na to. Dito, make sure na pantay. So, dito banda, ay lalagyan ko siya ng allowance at least 1 inch. Kasi, yan ay kailangan tahian. Dito. And then, dito naman 1 inch din. You have to make sure though that you have enough on this side. Gupit dito sa gilid and make sure that you have 1 inch dito para matahi ang gilid. Ayan. So, ito pa rin gagamitin ko sa susunod na punda, the next one, kasi I think this is only good, yung blanket niya is only good for 3 pillowcases. So ito yung pangalawa, right? So now, ito naman. Kaya gagamitin ko yung isa dahil yung seam niya dito sa dulo ay tahina. See? So, I don't need any allowance dito sa gilid na to. Kaya, yung unang pattern, yung una ang gagamitin ko. I-make sure mo lang talaga na even siya, pantay talaga. Ang iba gumagamit ng safety pin. Ako, hindi na. Okay lang yan nang wala. Alright. Okay lang yan nang wala kasi magaling ang char. Joke lang yun, ha? Anyway, so, yan. Gagamitin ko to yung una kong pattern, yung una kong nagupit. Kasi, pareho silang ganito. Merong tahina sa seam. So, it means, kasi ito, nalagyan na natin ng allowance. Remember? Sa kanan, nalagyan na siya ng allowance dito. Dahil ito ay nalagyan na ng allowance, hindi ko na kailangan lagyan ng allowance blanket or yung gagawin kong pillowcase. I'm just following this one because this is already exact measure. Kaya ganun lang. Alright. So you have a little bit left over. I don't know what to do with that. We can think of something. So anyway, so Tatlo lang talaga na pillowcase ang nagawa. Ang liit kasi niya. Yung queen size niya. So maybe next time you guys, if you're going to order, oh, excuse me, if you're going to order this kind online, your queen size, to be safe, order ng king na lang. Kasi yung pillowcase, I mean, ang blanket nila talaga napakaliit. Hindi man lang nag-hang sa bed. Para siyang, ano lang siya, twin. Yung blanket niya, twin. Pero yung bed features, yung bed sheets niya, it fit, you know. Pero ang blanket niya ay hindi. So, order na lang ng king size or something. I don't. Up to you guys. Pero sa akin, sa susunod, kung mag-order man ako, yung queen size, I will order king size. At least, na ifo-fold ko sa ilalim. Kasi may garter naman siya, na ano naman siya sa ilalim. Yeah? Or maybe I'm just gonna make my own bed fitted sheets. Right? It would be better probably. So ito na, if fold ko na lang to, it means it's ready to sew. And here you go. Put it there. That way everything is like ready to go. Diba? So here. So ngayon, papalitan ko na yung thread niya kasi blue siya. I need black. Kasi pwede siguro ang blue pero ayoko kasi na nakikita, it's easy to tell. You know what I mean? Okay, bear with me kasi medyo matagal-tagal na akong hindi nanahi. And pull na lang to pull. So, ang bobbin niya, okay, ito ipapasok dito. Tapos ito ipapasok dito to stop this one from falling off. So ngayon, i-turn on muna natin yung ilaw para makita natin ang ginagawa natin. Ngayon, ang bobbin niya andito. Ang bobbin niya, kung ito ang gagamitin ko, ay kulay blue. So, kailangan ko palitan ang kulay niya. So, kailangan ko kunin yung bobbin niya. I-check, bagong-bago. Hindi ko pwede patungan. Kasi punong-puno siya. So, tignan ko muna dito sa case ko. This little machine is really handy. You know what I mean? Para lang sa personal use. Hindi naman talaga ako magaling. Sa ponda lang ako magaling, blankets, ganyan, or the bed sheets, kasi dire-diretso lang. Pero kapag yung kung may mga extra, oh my God, I have to ask someone to do it for me. So in a way, pwede rin sa cortina if it is not too complicated. So in a way, ito, papatungan ko na lang. Kasi manipis na lang. Kasi sayang naman kung alisin ko siya. So, papatungan ko na lang siya ng itim. Right? So, now, I will put this bobbin here. And let's try to figure this together. Because it's really been a while. And then, I think it goes like this. Like a then put it right here, and then push, and then something is doubling here, and then let's see. Good luck to me. Okay, here it is. There you go, guys. Patungan lang natin siya ng itim. Enough that we can use it for the 3 pillowcases. So ngayon ginagawa ko, nilalagyan ko siya ng sinulid sa bobbin niya. Yeah. Tinatungan ko yung yellow kasi dapat talaga dito kulay black. Okay. Konti pa. Okay. Maybe that would be enough. Dagdagan pa natin. Ang itim naman almost for like, we can use it for a lot of material, color of material. So, if you have blue, you can use black, but if you have black, you cannot use blue. Why is that, huh? Okay. So, I think this is good enough. Yes. So now, tatanggalin mo na siya. I-pull mo siya. Tanggalin mo siya dyan. And then, yan. And then, puputulin natin siya dito. So, puputulin natin siya dito. Tapos ang gagawin natin ay papasok dito. You just have to make sure. Ayan, pasok dyan. Tapos so ito, naipasok na dyan. Lagyan mo dito paikot. And then ang end niya ay kailangan ipasok dito. Pasok dyan. Kunin ang dulo ng sinulid. And wait, this is supposed to be around here. Tapos ipasok na sa, masyado siya mahaba, so puputulan ko siya. Papasok na siya dito sa challenging middle. Ipasok dito sa middle. I think it's supposed to be on the other side. No, it's good. So now, we'll put this here, the bobbin, into this thing. There you go. Tapos, napaka-mahaba niya again. Ipasok na siya dito. Didi. At kailangan nakalock siya. So, ayun, nakapasok na yung bobbin. So, close na natin yan. And then, ibalik na natin ito. Slide lang siya. And then, kunin na natin ito. Ito ang magiging pasukan ng unan dito. So, ang tatahiin natin ay ito. Together na lang. Iganyan na lang natin. I-fold na lang natin. Kasi there is another way na fold na lang natin ng ganyan. Kaysa sa gagawin natin ng ganito, hiwa-hiwalay, then you put it together. You are wasting too much time doing that. So, ganito na lang. Total, malaki naman yung allowance na ginawa, na nilagay natin. So, you fold it right here, so you can and put it together. And then, here we go. Let's see if it is going to work. Good luck to us. Right? Okay, let's check it first before we keep doing it. Oh, good. Good job. There we go. So, we killed 2 birds in 1 stone. Because in other way, in a long way, you have to do this, sew this end, sew this the other side, then sew it again together. This one, we are putting it together in one time. So, we just keep doing that. And yeah, that's why it's very important that you have to make sure that you have allowance on both sides, okay? Because you're going to be doing that. That's probably a total of 1 inch on both sides, 1 inch here too. That way you will have enough allowance to sew it, because you're folding it to make sure that the seam is good. Look at, guys, it looks nice, right? Looks good, looks good. I hope you can see it clear. There we go. Just do it like that. And make sure that one is folded. So everything is covered. Let me see. If it get white in here, I can see it. So you can just adjust that one. Okay? There we go. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention. You have to make sure this is inside out, okay? Inside out when you are sewing. That way when it's done, it's gonna be like this. Right? So, inside out. Kailangan baliktad. Yung nasa labas, yung sa loob ay nasa labas, sa labas ay sa loob. Make sense? Basta, inside out. Yes, we're almost done with this first pillowcase. So, we just have to fold it again to make sure. Well, first you have to make sure that this is even right there. That way you will not have a problem later. There you go. We're not afraid to work hard, to just insert that, push that needle inside first before you adjust this, before you flip it down. So here we go. We got it in. You just have to be careful. Yeah, this machine doesn't like it. But so right now we are sewing the seam. That way, both seam, we sew it in one together. We're trying to save our precious time. It saves everything, you know. If you can do it one time and everything is good and it works, that sounds okay with me. It's faster, you know, rather than going back and forth, back and forth. What did I say before? We killed two birds. Two birds in one stone. Right? Alright guys, it's almost done. Almost done for our first pillowcase. I just do that, that way it will stop. I mean, I won't lose the seam, the last portion. Here we go. Let's see it. Let's see our creation. So we now going to take the inside to the outside. Yes. Huge pillowcase. I like it better, bigger than, there you go. Yes. Yeah, I just need to get one pillow to show you what's gonna be look like. But let me go ahead and finish up this one. Same procedure, same thing. This one is a lot easier because it's already sewed the seam on this side. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina guys, na nakatahi na sa side nung, imagine ng blanket pa to, yung gilid niya, nakatahi na, dati nang nakatahi. So, hindi ko na kailangan na ganituhin. Ang gagawin ko na lang ay ipagsama sila, dalawa, ganyan. Minsan matigas siya kasi makapal yung pinagsama natin yung sa end niya. Kaya pag nag-ingay siya, parang nagsasabi wag mo ituloy, na-manual mo siya, iikot mo siya dito. Tapos, usog mo lang siya. Yan. Kasi pag malambot na, okay na siya. Tuloy-tuloy na siya. So anyway, make sure na sa ilalim ay nakakabit, nakaganyan siya, nakasama siya. Kasi minsan, pag hindi mo alam na wala pala dyan, hindi na yun two birds in one stone. Uulitin mo na ulit. Right? Ito, madali lang kasi, wala ka nang tutupiin. Kasi, nakatahi na siya, kaya tuloy-tuloy na lang. Tapos, i-check mo dito sa likod, okay naman siya. Yung original niya, ang ginamit pala nila ay gray. Na parang, pag nasa ilaw, parang puti, tuloy. Mas maganda yung ating ginawa kasi itim. It's hard to tell. That is right there. Right? Yeah, they should. They should use black. But they thought gray is good because most of the color of this is gray. Right? So, we're almost done for the second one. Yeah. Ganun lang guys, kadali ang gumawa ng pundang. Kung wala kayong sewing machine, pwede naman kamay. Kailan talagang masakit sa kamay, sa daliri yan. Pero at least, meron na kayong idea. Mga basic lang to na ginagawa natin. Basic na pamadalian. Kasi dati, nung I wasn't doing anything, parang naboboard out. So, ang ginawa ko, gumawa ako ng mga pillowcases katulad nung pinakita ko kanina, gawa ko yun. Yan. Tapos iniisip ko kung anong content. Kasi minsan nakakaano, di ba, kung wala ka na maisip kung ano kaya ang gagawin mo para makagawa ng video. Hindi ako nagmamarunong whatever. But that's the realism. Realistically, yan ang iisipin ng katulad namin. Kung ano ang gagawin this time, kung ano ang content ng gagawin ng i-video namin. So, ito, pananahe, sana nag-i-enjoy kayo panoorin. So, ito, pangalawang pillowcase ay tapos na. Alisin na natin itong mga bungot-bungot, itong mga extra. It's not necessary to be part of the pillowcase. So, ito na. Ibabaliktad na natin ulit siya. Oh, diba? Diba, mga darlings? Mga idol? Mga followers ko? Oh, say mo. Mag-comment kayo ha kung ano sa tingin nyo sa mga ginawa natin. And then the last one, ito na. Malapit na. Nga pala, para to make sure na wala ring mga material na nasa ilalim, baka mataye, baka mapasama, i-swipe mo lang ang kamay mong ganyan to make sure na walang nakasali na hindi dapat dyan. Baka makahimo another hindi naman problema kasi doable. Kaya lang, hassle. Kasi you will waste your time of taking it out together. You know? Nga pala ha, remember, I'm not a professional sewer. So, if you sew something na hindi dapat or whatever, kasi syempre may ibang mga tao na may sariling opinion, allowed naman sila na express ng opinion nila. Pero, katulad ng sabi ko, na hindi ako professional, kaya hindi ito perfect. Okay? At kung may mali akong nagawa, hindi ibig sabihin na gagawin nyo rin. Pero, hindi ko maisip kung anong mali ang nagawa ko. Basta ako, happy lang ako na share ang experience ko. Or to give other people an idea how to make it. You know, some people, they think that it's very complicated, but it's not. It's not complicated at all. Yeah, so, ito, malapit na tayo sa pangatlong yugto, no? Sa pangatlong pillowcase. Alright, done sa pangatlo. Yay! So, tignan natin. Check. Everything is good. Look, the black fits just like perfect. Black color is perfect to this one. Kasi yung gray parang puti. Pero pwede na rin. I'm sure they're professional, whatever. And they decide to use it gray. Pero ako, I prefer na gamitin ko ang black thread. Oh, right? Here we go. Oh, I love it. So, ito na. Here we go, guys. Hello in the pillowcases. There you go. So rather than get stressed out, kasi ang liit ng blanket, so gawin na lang natin. Remember? Remember, if it is negative, make it positive. Make it too positive. So, here. Now, it's positive na sa akin. Medyo malaki ang pillowcase, pero no problem. That's okay. Right? Tapos ito, pangalawa. Oh, I like this. Yes. Nice. I love it, guys. Here we go. Our pillow. Thank you for staying with me. Salamat sa pagsama sa panahi sa panahi ng pillowcases. Yes. So, sana natuwa kayo o natuto o ano man. Basta lahat sana ay positive. Right? O sige, mga kababayan ko or mga kadugo sa sanlibutan. Sana maging matiwasay ang araw nyo or yung araw nyo ay naging matiwasay. Kasi hapon na eh. Yeah. So, I will see you soon. Don't forget, okay? Nothing is perfect. Alright? If it is negative, make it positive. Right? Okay. I'll see you later, guys. I love you all. Mwah.